I was really into tech, so I thought I'd pursue a field related to this. I guess network technology is really interesting. It's only projected to grow more, so I think it's a good career to pursue.
I came in, I checked it out, and I found out that my teacher was great, and I was like, I need to come here and figure out like what I want to do after school and everything. So I feel like it's very helpful.
It's going to be my entire life in a way, I guess. I mean, if it's something I want to pursue in the future as a career, I think that it should be a priority. This course is very important.
I've learned a lot new things with soft skills, personal skills, just how to be a great leader also, because we do a lot of teamwork, so I think it builds a lot of that character.
We engage in lots of group works. We set up IP cameras in the corner in the classroom. We do lots of hands-on activities, like it's not all notes, so you get to work with the tools right in front of you.
I really love BOCES. It taught me a lot over the years, the 2 years I've been here. I feel like it's really good for everyone to come and find out about it, because I learned a lot here about how to public speak, just get different skills that you just don't get at your home school. I really love it. It's great.